are there markers or indicators that would tell, kasi parang I forget something, does it necessarily mean I'm moving towards dementia? Parang, are there certain indicators that will tell me whether I or my loved ones are already moving towards some level, some kind of dementia? And the same question, particularly for Alzheimer, parang what is it that we need to be watchful for us to tell, sandali, mukhang iba na to, we need to do further diagnosis?
Yes. So we have been gathering evidence on, first of all, do we need to screen for dementia? Diba? That's a public health question. Meron kang barangay. Lahat ba sila ay may memory test natin para malaman natin sino sa kanila ang may dementia? We do not recommend that. We do not recommend screening for the asymptomatic people. No? It doesn't make sense. It's not cost effective. Baka malabel lang eh. We might be labeling people who just have mild memory slowness, no, because of aging, and mistakenly attribute it to dementia. Ayaw natin yun, no? Because dementia is mostly incurable. There's no cure yet for dementia. But going back to your question, yes, as people age,
Full episode out now.